Here's the new harmonizer for May-June. And I just love the cover and the picture, the art that just sees the moment and bright ideas. And then you read the front cover. I couldn't help but kind of go through it really quickly, and it was just packed full. It was just packed full. New, the brighter of two paths. There's that light bulb again. And I kind of skipped through, and certain things jumped out at me, like step one of that two paths. What is the current state? Where are we today? And step two, what if? Well, I guess that kind of sunk in a bit as I leafed through and just saw more and more and more stuff. And then I do what I normally do and go to the end and look at the tag. And I read the thing about this tag and where it came from. And then very quickly I'm going to look into it and see what the harmonies are. And then I thought, well, I really want to hear what this sounds like in tune, especially like that crazy chord, that second last chord. But anyway, so I started to work it out and I recorded it. And before I knew it, I was doing the what if thing. And I thought I really want to share this with the group. And so a whole bunch of what ifs came up. What if? So what if I make a video that records and teaches the tag in the back of every issue? Well, let's start with this one. What if I use methods that develop pitch intonation and pitch memory rather than restrict it? What if I can show notation in a way that helps understanding without it appearing difficult or foreign? And what if that understanding was about intonation? I could call it intonation notation. And I could use colors to answer that age-old question, should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go? You should get a haircut and a real job. And what the heck do you mean by that anyway? Should I stay or should I go? Well, I mean, when you're singing, we're always trying to put our note where we think it is, but sometimes it's in tune and sometimes it isn't. And when it's out of tune, should I move? Should I tune? Should I try to find where it's going to be better in tune? Should I tune my note to others I hear around me? Or should I stay and give my note or project my note so that others can tune to it? And how do I know? Well, there's real answers to that. For now, in this intonation notation, we'll use red notes for the ones that stay and green for the ones that go. The red notes that stay are also the ones that you could play from a keyboard in order to tune from, or to tune the green notes from. The green notes you don't want to play from a piano keyboard. This is a wild, crazy sound. This is a wild, crazy sound. The bass part also starts on this C. This is